Right now, somewhere in your business, there's a number that could change a decision you're about to make. Maybe it's sitting in your store's sales dashboard. Maybe it's inside your email platform showing you exactly which subject lines your customers open. Maybe it's in your ad account telling you which campaign has been losing you money for weeks. The data's already there. You didn't have to build it, buy it, or ask for it. The only question is whether you know it exists and whether you could put your hands on it right now if you needed to. For most business owners, the honest answer is no. And that's okay. The data is almost always there. But before you can use any of it for the insights it holds, you need to know exactly what you have and where it lives. That means you sit down and you make the list, or whoever on your team handles that kind of thing for you. This is station one in a series I'm calling Build Your AI Data Workshop. It's built around a simple framework called STOC for source, transfer, organize, context, and keep current. If you haven't seen the overview video yet, it's linked below and it walks through the whole idea of giving your AI a proper workshop to work in, instead of re explaining your data from scratch every time you sit down to work with it. Today, we're working station one source. Now, I want to be clear about what source actually means because it's easy to overcomplicate this. Today isn't about pulling data out of anywhere. It isn't about organizing files and it isn't about cleaning anything up. Today is just this figuring out what data you have and where it's sitting right now. Getting it out is the next video's job. So there's one thing you need to do, and it's the same no matter which platform you're looking at. You log in, you look at what's being captured in there, and you write it down. The platform, the type of data, and what you can see. Now let me show you what that looks like. Now this is YouTube Studio, the dashboard behind this channel. And when I log in here, I'm not just seeing views. I'm seeing all kinds of stuff in here. I see views, watch time, subscribers. I get a subscriber activity, which videos are actually driving people to subscribe. That's real business data, and it's sitting right here. It's ready to pull out and analyze. If you're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or whatever your main platform is, this looks a little different on your screen, but it's the same type of data doing the same job. You log in, you look, and you write it down. Now do the same thing across the rest of your business. Your website analytics, Google Analytics, or whatever you're using, it's sitting on visitor behavior, what pages people looked at, how they found you, and where they dropped off. Your email platform is sitting on open rates and click rates and exactly which of your subscribers engage with what you send. Your online store, your payment processor, your CRM, if you have one, they're all sitting on the same thing, sales and customer data. Who bought what, when, and how much they spent. If you run ads, your ad platforms are sitting on performance data, what you're spending and what you're getting back for it. And if you carry any kind of stock, your inventory system is sitting on what you have, what's moving, and what's just taking up space. That list isn't everything, and it's not supposed to be. Your business might run on 3 or 4 of those platforms or 10 completely different ones I didn't mention. But the point isn't the specific list, it's the habit. It's asking the same questions about whatever you use. Do I know what's captured in this platform? If this is helping you see your own business a little differently, do me a favor and hit like right now. It's the fastest way to tell me to keep making videos like this one. Now, sometimes you'll log into a platform and it won't be obvious what's being tracked behind the scenes. When this happens, do the best that you can. Check the platform's help or documentation page first. Most of them will tell you flat out what data they collect. And if you can't find an answer there, there's one more option, which is that you could export the data and look at what's inside the file. Now, that export process and everything that comes after it is exactly what the next video in this series covers. Here's what I want you to do today. Don't try to catalog your entire business in one sitting. I want you to pick 3 or 4 platforms you use constantly. Log into each one and write down what you see, the platform, the type of data, and what the data is that's in there. That's a real start. It's more than most business owners have ever done, and you can get your whole business mapped out in less than a week. Now, I've put together the Build Your AI Data Workshop checklist. It walks you through all 5 stations, not just this one, and it's linked in the description below, so go grab it. And subscribe to this channel if you want to catch the rest of the series. Next up is Station 2, Transfer, where we get this data out of these platforms and into your hands. I'm Rob Fernango, This is the AI Growth Accelerator. You've got more data than you think. So let's go find out exactly what and where it is.